In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $100 per day with Pinterest. You won't be spending any money on paid ads. We will do it the complete organic way. You also won't require blogs or, as a matter of fact, any experience to do this. So even a beginner can start doing it right away. Yes, you heard it right. And make sure to watch the video till the end, because I'll be revealing 2 bonus tips to increase your earnings way up to $1,000 per day in passive income. So without delaying any further, let's head over to Pinterest. For example, I search for keto diet. Keep in mind that you have to find what is related to your niche. And you will be needing products to promote as well. There are many platforms where you can find an ample number of affiliate products, such as Impact, ClickBank and JVZoo. But in today's video I'm going to be using Digistore24. So under fitness and health, I find this product, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Great! Coming back to Pinterest, you can see that there are tons and tons of attractive pins under this search term. Like this pin says, how to start a keto diet, or this one says, a 19-day keto diet plan to lose weight. This account right here has over 239,000 followers and over 10 million monthly views. So you get the idea of the amount of traffic that Pinterest gets. It's the 3rd most used search engine, after Google and YouTube. So all you need to do is design such pins. You can get copyright images from Pexels. As videos are visually more appealing than photos, we'll go ahead with this option. Let's search for keto diet. This video is looking good. We'll select this one. Now what you want to do is go to Canva. Select Pinterest pin. Choose whatever size you like. And upload the video. Remember, you need to have the right call to action for your affiliate product. For example, I will write, lose 10 kilograms in just 3 weeks. And there you go. Let's download this design and upload it on Pinterest. Give a suitable title to your pin. Something like, Your Ultimate Guide to Lose Weight. We can caption that, this diet plan covers everything from what meals to eat, to the proportion of nutrients to be included in your diet. Don't forget to add your product referral link in the destination URL. And voila! Your post is ready to make sales. Just a heads up. Optimize for low competition and high search volume keywords, because that will rank your pin at the top for this particular keyword. And as we are relying on free traffic, it might take some time to gain traction. So make sure to be consistent with the process. You never know which pin might go viral and immensely increase your sales. Another tip that I would like to give you guys is that subscription-based products have the potential to bring you lifetime earnings. Unlike physical products, which have one-time payment, digital services tend to bring more commissions, as no shipping or handling charges are involved with it. This will boost your earnings to more than $1,000 per month or even per day, depending upon your niche or product. So that's it for today's video. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, so I know that you like to watch more such content. And hit that notification bell, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, let me know in the comments, what is it that you would like to watch in the next video. Check out these other videos on how to make money online, the legitimate way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.